Hey guys, in this video today, we're going to talk about the cash secured put. Now, a lot of people's brokerages do not allow them yet to sell just naked puts, albeit because of experience, how much leverage they have in their account, etc. So, especially if you're signing up for the first time on Robinhood, you only have about a year or two experience. You only got basically, $500 to $1,000 in there. They're not going to allow you just sell naked puts, but they will allow you to sell cash secured puts. So if you do have enough money in your account to cover yourself on the puts, then they'll let you sell the put. So a cash secured put, all that means is that you have enough money in your account to cover the max loss or getting assigned those shares if your short put expires in the money. So for example, we're in Tilray, we're in our September monthlies here. We're going to short this $12 put right here for about 60 cents. Now you can see in here that if our buying power, it only costs us 536 to do this in this certain brokerage, right? Even though it is hard to borrow, it still only cost us 536 because we're in margin, etc. But our max loss is going to be 1140 here. So if we were selling a cash secured put, what we would need is $1,140 to cover this short put. And actually, some brokerages make you go ahead and cover the whole notional value of that position. So it would be $1,200 because you're at 12 here. So times 100 shares here at 12, that would be $1,200. So some brokerages make you do this. Some brokerages would take the your notional value minus your credit received. But it all depends. So right now, this would be 1140. Some might make you have to do the whole 1200, but either way, you need at least 1140 or you need this 1200 in your account to just go ahead and sell this short put here. So you can see how that kind of skews everything. Why am I putting up? I wouldn't say you're actually putting up, but why do I have to have that $1,200 in my account just to maybe make money on this 60-cent put? Yeah, I get it. I understand how that kind of skews everything. And that's why you want to try to find things with higher IV, find things where either you're fine with getting assigned them at that certain price. Because even though we are trading at 1330 here, yeah, we don't mind trading or owning this at 12, but at the same time, I'm not really risking, but I'm putting up $1,200 just to make maybe $60. And worst case scenario, I'll own at 12. Low IV, I think I'll just wait. You know what I mean? The IV ranking here is -0. Like, yeah, I think I'll just hold off and look for a little pullback and try to get long in here. So if you look for something that has a little bit more IV into it, maybe something that just already recently pulled back, you have good premium on the puts in there, little put skew or more normalative skew, as I like to call it. Then you would be more inclined to kind of place this. But I'm just doing this for example because this is a cheap stock that you can play this in. So all it is you're just putting up that full notional value before you actually place that trade, or you have to have this in your account because when you do get assigned, so if your max loss does occur, you have Tilray go below the $12. Those $12 puts go in the money. Then Robinhood or whatever brokerages can go ahead and grab that money that you had in there. They can go ahead and take that, and then they will give you your shares. They're just securing that you have enough money in there to cover the shares that they're about to assign you. Because if you don't, then obviously they won't let you go ahead and play this position. So that's all a cash secured put is. It's more or less, it's still a short put, but what is happening is that you are fronting that money, or you're having that money stay held in your account for the 100 shares at that certain strike. Sorry, I can't talk. Just so they know for sure if you do get assigned, you do already have that money. So you're just putting up that money up front just so you can sell that short put. And if worst case scenario happens, you still have that money in the back there. So that's all a cash secured put is. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out and we will try to answer them as to the best of our ability. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description. And we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.